this here is a timetable for trains going between Sutton and Luton. And what we're going to learn is how we can, on this timetable and lots of other timetables, how we can read them and answer questions about them. So my first question says, what time does train 1 leave Sutton? So this is train 1, and it leaves Sutton at this time here, because this is the first place it goes. So the answer is 0, 7, 10. Now my second question says, what time does train 2 arrive in Morden South? Now this is the time it leaves the initial station, and these are the times that it then arrives at the next station. So if we look, Morden South is here, so train 2 is here, and it arrives at Morden South here, so the answer is 9:21. Now question 3 says, how long does train 1 take from Sutton to Mitcham? How long? So it's the difference between them. So this is train 1, and we have to go from Sutton, which is here, and we want to go from Sutton to Mitcham Junction, and Mitcham Junction is here. So how long does this take? Well, we're starting at 7:10, and we arrive at 7:35. So how long does this take? Well, it takes 20 minutes, and it's going to be 7:30, and 5 more minutes gets it to 7:35. So the answer is, it takes 25 minutes. Now, let's have a look at question 4. Question 4 says, if you had to be in Luton by 12 o'clock, which train would you catch? How much time would you have before 12? So, I have to be in Luton by 12. Well, here's Luton. If I get this train, I'm going to be too late, and this train I'm going to be too late. So I can catch this one and be there at 11:42. So, if I take train 2, it works. Now it says in the second part, how much time would you have before 12? So what I need to do is, for this part, is work out the difference. So I'm going to arrive at 11:42, and I need to be there at 12, so how much time do I have? Well, if I jump 10 minutes, that takes it to 11:52, and then 8 more minutes here, and so in total I have 18 minutes. Now the final question says, if you arrived at Sutton at 9:40, how long would you have to wait for the next train to leave Sutton to Luton? So if I arrive at 9:40, how long do I have to wait for the next train? Well, if I arrive at 9:40, this train's already gone. If I arrive at 9:40, this one's gone. So the next one is this train. But how long do I have to wait? Well, if the train is leaving at 11:35 and I arrive at 9:40, how long am I there for? Well, 1 hour takes me to 10:40. If I jump 30 minutes, if I jump 50 minutes, and then at 11:30, and 5 more minutes gets me to 11:35. So 1 hour, 50 and 5. So I have to wait 1 hour, 55 minutes. Lots of timetables are very different, but these are the sort of questions that you might have to come about. And these are just some ways which you can work them out.